Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I may not be a baby, but that doesn't mean that I don't still love this Evereden baby lip balm. This lip balm feels amazing on my lips. It is so hydrating and so gentle. I really love that this lip balm has a really wide base. I think that the whole reason for this is so that little toddlers who are still learning their coordination with their little fingers and hands can easily apply this lip balm to their own lips. For me personally, I also really like this design feature of this lip balm, and it makes applying this lip balm really fast. I have sensitive skin, including on my lips, and sometimes I can get a little rash breakout on my lips if I don't apply things that are really kind to them, but I have not experienced any reaction at all from this very gentle lip balm. It adds a really nice natural sheen to my lips. It doesn't feel sticky in the slightest, and it is so comfortable. If you're looking for a safe and hydrating lip balm for your little one or for yourself, then I would definitely recommend giving this Evereden baby lip balm a try. And that's my point of view.